family is 12. A red bed. Dad, look at that. It is a red bed. Dad, look at that. It is a big net. Dad, look at that. He fed the red hens. Dad, look at that. He has a red pig. Dad, look at that. I see a brown hat. Dad, look at that. It is a yellow jet. Ted, where is Ted? Now I see Ted. He is in the red bed. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. F-E-D, fed. T-E-D, Ted. Bye-bye. Great job learning with me.